Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on solving equations, and I have two problems today that are a bit of a doozy if we look at them. So what I'm going to do when I solve these, because there's so much going on each side of my equation is an expression, and each of these two expressions have a lot going on, and I need to simplify the expressions before I can deal with the fact that I have an equation. Expression, no equal sign. So each half of an equation is an expression. When you put the equal sign equating two expressions, you have an equation. Okay, so what I'm going to do, something I really like doing in math, is I like stacking my like terms. It helps to combine them. It helps to not lose negatives. So I'm going to take this 5 and distribute it in, and I'm going to get a negative 10g plus 40. And this 4g, I'm going to write underneath the 10g, because then I can see negative 10 plus 4 is a negative 6. Negative 6g plus 40 is the left-hand side of my equation. On this side, I have the 6, and then I have a negative 4g, which doesn't line up with the 6, because I'm distributing a negative 4, and the plus 28, which does. So the negative 4g comes down here, and 6 plus 28 is 34. Okay, stacking my like terms made the combining of my like terms much simpler. It also made everything look a lot cleaner, and it made everything a little bit visually more appealing to solve. Okay, so now we get to the fun part. I'm going to add 4g to both sides and subtract 40 from both sides. Negative 6 plus 4 is a negative 2g. Those cancel. And by cancel, I mean add up to 0. Those add up to 0. Positive, negative. The negatives are going to win. 6 are going to survive. This is multiplication. I undo multiplication with division. I divide both sides by negative 2, and g is equal to 3. I could put it back in to check my answer, which is a really good idea. I highly suggest you do pause the video, put the 3 back into the original problem, make sure we have the right answer. Okay, for this one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to distribute and stack my like terms. 0.5 times 2 is 1, so I have h. 0.5 times 6 is 3. Now this is a negative 0.9. Negative 0.9 times h is a negative 0.9h, and negative 0.9 times 10 is a negative 9. I'm going to add these together. I'm going to get a 0.1h minus 6, and now I'm going to bring this equals 4 down. All of this looks really heavy, really complicated, a lot of things going on, but once you stack them and combine your like terms, it's really not so bad. I'm going to add 6 to both sides so that I have 0.1h equals 10. And okay, I'm going to divide by 0.1, but really with 0.1h, I would probably multiply both sides by 10. You can do it either way. I'm going to do it the way that is most common. Multiplication is undone by the division because they're inverse operators, but 0.1 times 10 would give us 1. H equals 100. Move the decimal point over, 100 over 1 is 100. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.